The Baking Bird is a Cheltenham-based mobile bakery. We specialise in home-baked cakes using the best local ingredients we can source. All of the cakes are baked by ourselves. We offer a changing range of cakes, so there's always something new to try, although we always have our popular double chocolate brownies on the menu. We also try to offer at least 2 gluten-free choices. We also sell our increasingly popular home-baked granola. All of these cakes are served from our very beautiful vintage Bedford van called Betty.
Oh, let the water wash over me. Oh.
Our van is fitted with a commercial-sized coffee machine that can run totally off-grid, so perfect for an event or private party, even with no power supply. Our coffee is supplied by James's Gourmet Coffee, which is based just up the road in Ross-on-Wye. We chose James's Coffee because it's the nicest tasting coffee we've ever had, and we also like their ethical approach towards the farmers that supply the coffee beans. We also have a range of Colombian and white Belgian hot chocolates. Our most popular amongst the adults is supplied by the Chocolate Society. It's a very unique and intense flavour, and it isn't available to buy from a supermarket. We also do a slightly more milky Colombian hot chocolate which children prefer. We also offer vegan, dairy-free and gluten-free hot chocolates. We now have a regular 2-day pitch at the Coombe Hill Farm Shop on Fridays and Saturdays. We also cater for private parties, events and bespoke cake orders delivered in our vintage van in the Cheltenham area. We also have an online shop where cakes that can travel well can be ordered and posted to you. So how to find us? The farm shop's full address will be displayed at the end of the video, but if you're local to Cheltenham, getting there couldn't be any easier. Just follow the Tewkesbury Road from the large roundabout. Follow the road until you reach the Coombe Hill traffic lights.
Hey baby, let's get out of here. Stop the mortgage and the career. Let's go, leave it all behind us. Down on the beach where they can find us on that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand.
Turn right at the lights and we're a stone's throw from the petrol station, just on the right. It takes just 5 minutes to get to the farm shop from the large roundabout on the Tewkesbury Road in Cheltenham.
Oh, let the water wash over me. Oh, where the land gets a deep blue sea. Where? On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. See the people with the coffee skin, not caring about much anything.
If you come to see us, be sure to have a look around the antique centre called Cowshed Garden and Antiques. They have an eclectic mix of ornaments, tools and furniture to suit the workshop, garden and home. Their stock is very reasonably priced, so there's always something new to see each week.
Let the water wash over me. Oh, where the land meets a deep blue sea. Where? On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. Do you remember being on that beach when I said that we would never
our meats here in the shop, we've got sausages which are from our pigs, and we've got bacon and ham and pork chops and loads of different joints which are from the pigs that we rear here on our farm. And we've got lamb as well, which is amazing. We've got lamb mince, we've got lamb chops, all different cuts, Sunday roast, that kind of thing. So, and that's all from lamb reared here as well, which is great. And we've got beef, which we get sourced locally from South Gloucestershire here, and we've got free range chickens. So really local shop, we try and do really local produce, seasonal stuff throughout the year. We've got fruit and veg and all kinds of meats and cheese and butters and chutneys and bunnies and bread. So come and see us and take a look around.
See the people with the coffee skin, not caring about much anything. Each coming for the very souls that huckleberry bending as they pull her on that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. Oh, let the water wash over me. Oh, where the land meets a deep blue sea. Where? On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. On that white sand. Do you remember being on that beach when I said that we would never join that rat race? So many times.
We're a bit early, I'm afraid. If you could just give us 10 minutes to get the machine up to temperature, and we'll give you a cappuccino.